the deal. Customer had a leak on both of these lines. Just went ahead and cut them off right at the crimp and replaced them with hose, double clamp them because they are pressure lines. But yeah, had it for a drive, no leaks. As you can see, it was leaking pretty good down there on the bottom. I wiped off the pan, but yeah, it's an easy fix for somebody instead of replacing those lines because they go back under the transmission. It's super tough to get at. The easiest way is to take the transmission mount out and let it down a bit. But rather than doing that and taking 3, 4, 5 hours, took me probably all of a half an hour to do this. And it's just 3/8 inner diameter hose, 4 clamps. I didn't bother putting that other one on, as you can see there, because it wasn't leaking. When it does, I'll go ahead and cut it above the crimp, cut it down there above the crimp, or below the crimp, and we'll put another piece of hose on there.